Ya, buat kung bili-bili ngesa. Ôi mày. Còn mà là cùng bili-bili. Oh, mau tinggal pepe. Mana yang ya? Sao ngira ka mai oso rungo ya?
Yang aja sih buat. Era le buat apa masalah sih mau badung mau.
Iya.
Oh, pesto, coconut, some okra-rice, some fish.
Iya.
Oh, we take some food for a Sunday. After that, go church
Iya.
and sleep. This day so rainy. Oh, thank you. Bancau kalau am.
Iya.
Jangan introduce le PUA'A.
Ya, puak. Ya, kung bili-bili puak.
Ngai ke dia mana mai dah. Mapung. Ai PUA'A dia. Bili.
Ka ko nga ingesa.
Kumai ku. Kumai ku. Kumai.
Ke gede aso.
Oh, nampak ngawai.
Ya. Ngawai mai mero wo o eta to puak. Ayat pak udo pangung mer puak. Ya, leli nei o lo fa pena na milo ta to puak du ngore afi. Leli si vau. Ang saka itu wa mana ya. Ayer nga enga mangaya puak.
Hey guys, we just got home from church. Aussie stayed to do the food. Me and my girl Jameer. Yeah. And some guy was talking to Siaomi at the church.
He was so jealous about my shoes.
Wah. Wala awa. Oi kala solo mak ata yo sibo. Ai hawai. Ya, bye-bye. Kau kira apa bela? Kya bela?
Ai, tu.
Fica ele cakai de PUA'A.
Paton mua.
Paton mua.
Paton mua. Ale. Pakoe.
Pakoe sui dia mai.
Kamu bili.
Enga makanya kamba wa. Ini mu balik. Ma kuat mangai ada enga. Ah, so tengah mai de PUA'A kama. Iya. Ma kuat kau nga. Wa sasa ivai. Se fa foi enga la kamo si va ora mea. Sa lucky.
Mulai
Kalau
beru au. Kami dia lah kon.
Peru
Beru au ni kau ngasam boleh dek.
Yoka.
Hi guys. So Aussie had a sleep, a long sleep, and I was just watching Queen of the South and also editing a vlog. We had a nice gongai, but did we film it? No, I don't know. But it was really yummy. It's been such a bad day here in Samoa. It's really cold and it's raining. Well, cold for Samoa, and it's been raining all day, and so we're going to the Mali'olio the bike from, it's like this pathway, and when it rains and the weather's really bad and wet, it floods so that you can't drive past. So currently in the vlogs you've probably seen a bridge or a building bridge, I'll show you as we get closer, where they've started building an alternative road, and it's a bridge so that you don't have to come through that road, you have to come around up on this big bridge, this nice sturdy bridge. And that's what we're going to go and show you guys. And so many cars and buses in the past have been drifted away. A family has died from that road, and the buses have been smashed because they thought that they could make it and they couldn't make it, and they got washed away. And yeah,
So we're going to show you guys
what it looks like.
it looks like. It's gonna be like big tsunami.
My face is getting so chubby here. Because I'm just eating. I have my hair. Do you like my hair? Dati metelato, mazzani stanito, mana palla. Is this where the road is? The Akiakoi. Okay guys, we're just coming up to it. We just passed where the road ends up coming to. Yeah, people are swimming there. You can go, but it's so dangerous. That car just made it. It's so strong. Look at the currents. Guys, I'll zoom in so you guys can see the stream, the pace that it's flowing. So many cars think they can make it. That red car just made it, but so many other cars think they can make it, and they can't make it. Look at it flowing, like, look at that. Do you see that? Look at that, and tell me if you can do that. It's up to that guy's knees. He's knee deep. So weird because it's been so dry these past couple of days that I've driven past it. Oh my gosh, if it falls, I got it on camera. You saw it here first, TV1.
What?
Oh, the bus is just probably so scared.
Right. Sao? Xì lú đi vậy? Chiều lại lo cầm. Vậy rồi đây cũng pulang kan. Kalau aku masang ni vậy.
Well, you made it, mate. You made it. Hooray, hooray. Oh, we got another taker. Are you gonna make it, mate? Ooh, 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 ooh. Everyone's gonna make it. Especially on the right side. Oh, look at these two. Oh my gosh, guys, we came back because we're gonna cross it. Oh, see, I'm scared. The car feels so light. What's he gonna do if it scuffles? Is Is he a traffic controller, man? I don't know. Oh, what the hell? So funny, guys. So we came to film Aussie's family's car going across that water thing, and then so we thought that because he stopped the car on the other side and all of them got out, so we thought something else, like we thought we were gonna have to drive and drop Aussie's brother, but it turns out when we crossed, then they started driving, so we were like, okay, so we crossed for nothing. Then we met up with him, and now we're all going to just drop Aussie's brother, even though Aussie's brother is in that car and there's no one in this car we need to drop. Yeah, drop me. We're gonna drop Mia to her boyfriend's house in Samoa.
Lap from Kalan Mele way o may
Support you the video, support you mo.
Sali. Kalan me.
She's just laughing.
Kangora lap from Kalan me ka komayan. We crossed the river. We crossed the river.
Kaya FM la de FM wa bi pia. Ai ba kwa.
Guys, we crossed free river. We crossed 3 rivers, but every car standing at side is not gonna go past the rivers. We pass 3 rivers. But it's too dangerous, guys. Too dangerous for us. Thanks God for the protection upon us. Yeah, now we finally here in Salonga. We're going back up there and then cross another 3 rivers. Yeah, boy, this song's dedicated to all our friends.
This song is dedicated to my one and only lover. You know who you are, you're out there.
Yeah, Aussie boy.
Nah, it's a different one.
And this song is dedicated to all my one and only lover from Australia. It's not here, it's in Australia.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Manuia Rastafari.
Good.
Manuia
Hey guys, we just got home from town not long ago, and these guys have been working on their chairs. They've been building new chairs. Now they're just lacquering them. They're so nice. And Jamee's just chilling over there. Now I'm gonna have a coconut juice. It's my favorite.
It's my favorite.
Yeah guys, and now we're just chilling. So hot. Waiting for the time to go up the SAVAII. We're trying to vlog as much as we can. I do emphasize a lot on the as much as we can. Look at little Spee baby over there, little cutie bum bum. Hello little cutie bum bum. So since we got here, I've been doing my own washing, like when I shower. But then Aussie hasn't been doing his washing at all. So most of his clothes we took today to do our washing in town were his.
It's both our washing. What do you mean?
No. It's mostly yours. Look at this pig just having a good scratch.
Kẹp. Để đi nào kinh kẹp sẽ ta sẽ phải suy cho
Yum.
cho nó
I love this.
Samoa.
Thanks. Guys, this is my fave.
Parmo.